Hello, everyone. This is going to be a short message for Gemini for the next 48 to 24 to 48 hours to see what's going on. This is just going to be a short reading with my Oracle energy cards for Gemini for October. We have storm warning. We have deceit. So, wow, what is going on? And also on the bottom of the deck, we have action. So, a storm is coming. And it's also saying storm warning. So, something could be a warning. Something is about to go down, is what I'm hearing. Something is about to go down for Gemini. It says clouds over the horizon. So, this is like the Tower card. So something's going to happen, and this card is like a warning. So let's see what deceit. Somebody's being deceptive. Let's see what this means. Okay. It says hidden tactics and manipulation. So, wow. Let's see what action says. Action. Somebody's going to be doing some kind of manipulation. Somebody need to watch out. Okay. Energizing effort, willingness to work. So it's going to be some kind of fast action. And I feel that, let me see, number 17, willingness to work. It says, this card upright indicates that you are on the right track, but you are determined efforts must increase. The white horse is interaction of spirit and thoughts. The black is the outer work that is needed to be done. So continue taking action and trust your intuition. So somebody's going to have to take some kind of action and do things in a good way, but it's something's coming fast. This is like the Eight of Wands. So some kind of action is needed because somebody is being very deceptive and manipulative, and they're coming. Okay, with the Tower card, something's unsteady, something's unbalanced. So this is a message for Gemini. Thank you, guys.